Here you go. Go ahead and go.
Put an end to the mess and risk of infection by using old catheters. Eliminate trips to the pharmacy and insurance paperwork. Shipping is free. Call Medical Direct Club now to receive your free catheter set.
You like it?
What'd you get?
A Zubo!
This is one phone call.
No way. You've been wanting those for a while.
For hundreds of years.
This is the one you want to keep?
Shipping is always
Yes.
free.
I'll tell you what, I'll take this to the Goodwill and you can eat it.
This is for Adam.
Big one.
Toilet paper.
I do toilet paper. I do roll back to toilet paper.
Here, let me. Okay,
It's a roll of cyanide.
look, it's a pass back football.
How does it work?
Guys, like football. Now what
When you blow it up, and then this end is flat, and then you can throw it against the wall, and it comes back to you in a spiral.
I want to see
I didn't
that.
know that.
Yes.
You fall like.
How would you like to eat that, Ernie? What's your scripture?
So you can practice throwing a spiral by yourself.
Wow.
How do you blow it
I
up?
never knew they had those.
Yes.
So this is mine, Mommy.
Yeah, it's got everything on it.
Can you look at mine?
Let's see here. Yes, that's yours.
But you have to go like this.
So it hits the wall and comes back to you?
Yes, in a spiral. If you throw it in a spiral, it comes back in a spiral.
My Zubo!
Get over next to them. Open your presents next to them.
My Zubos!
What is it?
My Zubos!
Have you been like good as a girl, so I got to bring you all that?
Well, that's what you got.
Hey, Dad, look at this ice cream. Dad,
They would have no idea.
Okay.
look at this sundae he's going to
That
eat.
must be Adam's. That's
Oh my
Adam's.
God.
What does it say?
This is yours, and that's Adam's.
So this is mine?
Okay, yes. Wait till he's done, and then you can open yours, and then he can open the last one. What do you think?
Hard shit.
Look, it's a garage.
Hey,
Okay, I get you back on. Look, you both got the same thing. Moon shoes.
What are they?
They're moon shoes.
Moon shoes.
You put them on your feet, and they're like little trampolines. You can jump extra high.
Give me your
Wow.
I want to
I want
see how we
them.
do this. Open it.
Okay. Just a minute, let me get the opener.
Rebel Gary wants them.
I think I need those.
Why? You can't even bounce.
Yeah, we don't care if the box she's going to go
You
now.
can just walk.
Moon shoes?
Mountain.
You going to walk on the moon?
Evan, jump on the edge of that. I got mine open.
Okay. Okay, wait.
I got purple shoe.
They're both purple, I guess.
But you got black. But you got black around it. I got purple around it.
Okay.
I got super loud.
Okay, I see.
What?
So the base.
What's this? A black one.
Here, why don't you guys switch the bases?
Why?
Because that way, you can have the purple base. Do you have a purple base?
Yeah.
Okay. So you could. Are your shoes purple? Okay, I guess all the shoes are purple. Never mind.
you cannot walk around in moon shoes.
I'm gonna dump it all the way
I think you
over.
got to go in the garage.
Okay. Let's see here.
What do you guys say? Christmas 2010.
Christmas 2010.
Why don't you just go over there to Ernie and Bev? Why don't you go over there to Ernie and Bev and tell them thank you?
Okay, wait. Oh, here, you got him. Abby, you got to put the rubber bands on. There should be a container of
Look
rubber
at that
bands.
ice cream Daddy's going to eat.
Is that cake under there?
Honey, you got two shoes there in there. Two of them together.
You want it?
Ernie, can you eat that cake?
Yeah.
All of it?